Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create an storage account, set up a file share, and access that file share from your local system using Windows. To create an storage account, let's go to the any browser. I'm using here Chrome browser. Okay, so just type portal.azure.com. Put your credentials and log into the portal.azure.com. Once you are in, on the top in the search bar, just type storage account. Click on the storage accounts. Click on create a new storage account button. Select the subscription where you want to deploy the storage account. Select an existing resource group or create a new storage resource group for the storage account. Give your storage account some unique name. Demo storage account. So I'm giving this name for the demo purpose. Select the region where you want to deploy the storage account. I'm going to select here a service file share. Okay. Based on your requirement, you can select the performance type, standard for cost saving and development and testing purpose, premium for production environment, and high speed data transfer. For now, I'm selecting pay as you go file share bill based on usage. I'm selecting LRS. Click next. Here I am not going to make any changes. Click on next button. Here I am going to keep only public. Click next. Data production. No changes. Click on create button. It will take some time to create the storage account. Okay, it is created. Click on go to resources. Go to file shares. Click on file share. So this button will help you to create a new file share. Give your file share name. I'm giving file share 1. So maximum capacity here mention 100 terabytes. We'll click next. I'm not going to enable backup for now, but you can enable depending on your requirement if you are going for the production. Okay. Click on create button. Yeah, so that's it. So that is how easy it is to create an storage account and create a file share. To access this file share from your local system, you can click on this connect button. Okay. So here we can see there are three options. You can connect from Windows, Linux, and Mac. For now, I am going to use this Windows. So here you need to select the drive letter. I'm selecting drive letter X, for example. So for the authentication, you can either use Active Directory or Microsoft Entra, and there is another option for storage account key. I'm going to use this storage account key option. So I'm going to click on this show script. It is going to provide us a PowerShell script. Okay, you can run this PowerShell script in the PowerShell, and this that is the file share will attach to your local system. So let's run this script and let's see what will happen. So it has successfully attached the file share to our local system. Let's see. So the file share is attached successfully now. You can upload your files here, or you can create the files and folders inside this. So that's it. We have created a file share and mapped it to our local system. And based on the internet speed and the size of the file, it will take some time uh, to upload the content to the file share, Azure file share. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you want to deattach this file share, you can just go ahead and click on disconnect button. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel and share this video link with your friends.